2 modes connectivity, Bluetooth 5.1 wireless and USB wired connection for you. Easy to connect 3 devices simultaneously by Bluetooth setting. You can switch gaming and work modes flexibly without repeatedly plugged in. True RGB Backlit 7 monochrome backlights, 20 RGB lighting modes, 4 lighting speeds and 4 brightness levels. Just choose one effect as you like to light up your gaming room or work night. Classic mechanical typing, equipped with high-quality blue equivalent switches, 50 million keystrokes lifespan, 2.0 mm distance to actuation, 55 plus or minus 20 GF key force, delivering precise and unique typing performance and more immersive gaming experience with strong, clicky BGM. Ergonomic design, relieve the fatigue during long-time gaming or working with ergonomic adjustable feet, 15 degrees tilt, and curved surface, 20 degrees tilt. Tips. Put the keyboard in a certain place which makes your arm sag naturally. Wide compatibility. Compatible with Windows 2000, XP, ME, Vista, 7, 8, PS5, PS4 and Mac. OS. Works well with desktops, Chromebook, PC, laptop and phone. What you get: 1 compact mechanical gaming keyboard, 1 Type-C cable, 1 user manual, not connected via 2.4 GHz so USB receiver is not included. Top reviews from the United States. My first mechanical keyboard. Given this is my first mechanical keyboard, I am not too sure I can provide the heavy details that some might be seeking. However, as my first mechanical keyboard, I can tell you I am thoroughly enjoying it. I work in customer service, oftentimes communicating with customers and clients via chat and email. It was recommended to me by several coworkers to try a mechanical keyboard with how much we type on any given day. I love that this one can be both wired or wireless, as it gives me a lot of flexibility in where I work and or how far away from my system. Battery life has been excellent.